G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
Charizard from Pokémon.
Charizard from Pokemon. All right, let's get to it.
Yoo.
Okay guys, so we're going to start with Charizard's eye.
Yep.
So we want to try and do this as small as you can. You want to come around here and you just want to go up the way like that. How's it going, Phoenix? Oh, good job. And then we're going to go to the back of his eye down to there. And then we're going to go connect the eye in like that. And it's kind of looks a little bit like Bullet Bill or a bullet. We'll do a curved line in there in the eye. And then we'll color the front bit in black. Cool. So if you put lines behind that, it'd be like a bullet going through the air, wouldn't it? Yeah. And so up here, we want to form part of his head. So you want to go up and around like that. Sort of wisp it up. And then we're going to come up here a little bit and do the top of his head. So it's like just a little bit of a mound or a line that's a little bit curved like that.
And it might be like a little bit like a squiggle in a sketch.
It looks like a squiggle in a sketch, doesn't it? Like the other videos we do on our channel.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to do his ears. So we'll start with his ear at the back here. We'll go one up like that. And then we do a little line across there at the top. Yeah,
Boom.
Beautiful. And then we're going to come down into there. So it doesn't look like much at the moment, does it? So we're going to come over here and do the other ear. You want to come part way in that line on the top of his head. And you're going to go up the way, so the same height as this other ear. And then you want to do a line at the top of that ear, across like that. And then down like that. That's a bit better. Cool.
Did you say that?
And then we're going to do a curve line that comes around here and sort of sits. So we're going to go around and about there. So that's forehead. That's okay. That's okay. It's good. Now we're going to do his nose. You want to go down, up, around, and in like that. That's a little bit tricky. It's almost like you're going, that's okay. You're going to have a big long nose. It's all good, Phoenix. This is your interpretation.
No, but wings.
What I want you to do is draw a line in like that. There you go, cool. And then I want it to curve in like that, just a little bit. Awesome. And then I want you to go into there, like so. Yep, so that's forming part of his nose.
This is going to be too big.
I don't know. I think you can make this work. Like I said, like if you're struggling at home to sort of keep up and stuff like that, but you think yours is looking different to what we're doing, it doesn't matter because it's your own interpretation. It's art, by the way. Now we're going to do like his nostrils. So you want to do like a little circle there and with a little tick on it on one side. And on the other side, you just start with a circle and then do a tick. It's kind of like two little tadpoles for his nose. Good job. And we want to do his tooth. It's got a bit of a sneaky tooth there, so like a little V hanging out. Cool, that's awesome, Phoenix. Now we're going to do the bottom of his jaw, so his mouth. So you want to come about around here, curve into there, like so. Beautiful. And then you want to go as close to that tooth around and form off his jaw like that. And there we have the face, or his head, Charizard's face.
Big.
That's cool. That's awesome, Phoenix. That's great. Now, we're going to do the back of his neck that's going to come around here. So it's probably going to come to about there. You can put your finger there, and you want to just draw it to about there. Good job. Awesome work, Phoenix.
It looks like my Pikachu.
Now, what we want to do is we're going to do the other part of his neck, sort of around here. So you come in around there and you curve and you stop about there. Good work.
He looks like a dinosaur.
That's awesome. Now, we're going to do his two arms. So he's got two arms that are holding down here with his sort of clawy hands. All right. Now, I want to start here just above the line a little bit. And we'll go sort of about there-ish.
I think my body's going to be squished.
Oh, you're right. That's okay. And we come down about here. So imagine sort of like this, like so. Very good. It's taking shape. Kind of looks like a bit of a sea monster now, doesn't it, coming out of the ocean? Now, what we want to do is we want to do his claws. Now, he's got 3 fingers on his claws. So you want to loop around like so, like that. Yep. And then we want to loop in to like that for 1 finger. Yep. And then we want to come around, curve around like that.
It's a bit rainy today.
It is a bit rainy today out there.
It's been raining for maybe 3 days.
All right, so we're going to finish off this claw here. And you want to come in like that.
It looks like a Lego.
And then from this claw here, you want to go just a V like that to get yourself started. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring that all the way into that hand over here, like that. That's good. That's good. Now, we're going to form up his claws here. So you want to do line there. So I guess they're like his fingernails or claws, if you have you, like that. Good job, Phoenix. You know, yours is going to be very unique, all right?
It's not unique. It looks like my Pikachu that we did in the last video.
So we're going to do his other arm on the other side. So you see this, you can imagine an imaginary line going underneath his neck. I'm going to start there, do a tick.
Imaginary line.
Imaginary line. All right, so you want to go a line that goes around to there. You sort of want to get it in line with his other arm there too. So we see this arm starts here. It's going to be similar on the other side. I'm going to go around like that. So you got shape of an arm. Good job. Now we're going to do his claws again. So we're going to do one like that on that side. This one's probably a bit easier to do. And then we're going to do another one on the other side. So kind of starting to look like a magic claw. So we want to hook in for this one like that. Good job. And then we want to make this one a bit longer, hook out. And then this one in like that. And then this one in there. And then you just want to meet those together like so.
And down for the nails.
The nails, that's right. So you just want to do curves, however you wish, like that.
It's a long nail.
That's all right. He needs to go to the nail parlor, get his nails fixed. Now, we're going to do the rest of his body to form the body out. So let's do something, have a bit of a rest here and do something easy.
Tummy.
So we're going to do a line that just comes around here, forms part of his belly. So imaginary line under there, into there. Yep. And we're going to do the same on this side. And what you want to do, we can go into there as a line. And then we want to have a line from this nail or claw. And it goes to about there. Awesome, Phoenix. It's looking good. Cool. Now, while we're here, we might as well do part of his leg.
Leggy.
So we're going to start about here. We're going to have a curved line that goes into there. Yep. And from this nail here, you want to just do like down and around like that. So that's part of his back leg. Now we're going to do the bottom of his foot. So I'm going to go around, in and like that. Yep. And then from this part of his leg, I'm going to come up a bit in the line and string it into like that. Yep. That's looking good. That's looking good. And then we want to do a nail. So we do a curve at the back and then 2 points at the front. And you just want to keep doing that. And he's got 3 again as you go up like that. So it's always a curve at the back and rounded at the thing. It kind of looks like a mouse. If you were to put eyes in that tail, they'll be like little mice. Now, it's taken shape. Taken shape.
Not mine.
I like yours. I like yours. Yours is good. Now, what I want you to do is come over here and we're going to like do a line, sort of a big sort of line that goes into there. Yep. And then we'll do a line around there, come around and curve like that. So it's like, again, like a bit of a crazy spaghetti.
Done.
Yep. And then we'll go a line that goes in like that to form off the rest of his foot. And again, we're going to do these, what are they called? Claws, nails.
Nails.
So,
Done.
done. Good job, Phoenix. Okay, now.
And soon we'll have the tail, the tummy, and the wings.
That's right. Okay, let's do the tummy next.
Tummy, wummy.
So we can get some sort of perspective going. So you want to come around about here on the bottom of the page, go up and around, and dip it into there. It's kind of like half shape of an egg. Can you imagine that's an egg? He was probably born from an egg, I'm assuming.
No.
No? How was he born? From a Pokeball. Okay, so what do you want to do next, Phoenix?
Tail.
The tail? All right, we'll do the tail. So the tail is going to start on this leg here and sort of swindle out. So we're going to start, just watch me before we do this. I'm going to start here. You're going to go around and up like that. It's kind of like looking, going, oh, I've got a bit of spaghetti at the back of my
And there's going to
body.
be fire.
There's going to be fire on that. So what we want to do is we're going to come down a bit more on his thigh here. Come in and
it gets thinner.
It gets thinner as you get to the end of the tail. That's right. Yep. Beautiful, Phoenix. That's awesome. Now we're going to do fire on the tail. So the fire is going to start here. We're going to try and do a flame. You want to go up, around like that, like a squiggle. Yep. And then you come in, around and in like that. Doesn't really matter how you do this. And then you go up and around like that. So just be very loose with this. You know, get down a mountain, you're going to go out a bit, come around and then try and replicate that on the other side.
And don't forget the inside.
And the inside. So the inside is basically going to follow this,
Yeah.
this shape here. So see what I mean? You go up, around, and then into there. Try and replicate that so it's like parallel. So it's like sort of following that same line. Like that. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Now, we've got the base of Charizard there. Now, what's one thing that's missing from him?
Wings.
His wings. Now, we may not have enough room here to do it, but we'll see how we go.
Yeah.
And that's okay because it's your art, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to start here on this arm. We're going to go up and out like that. How you going there? Yep. We're going to draw a line at the top like that.
Like for his ears.
Yeah, yep. That's exactly right. And then we're going to go down like that.
He's a bit of his bone.
Yep. And then we're going to go around and to the edge of the page.
And then we'll probably do the same.
Yeah, so what you want to do, you want to draw a line that sort of goes along here. So this is the edge of his wing. Yep.
And then for his actual wing.
Yep. His wing, you want to just do a line here. So imagine an imaginary line going underneath his arm, and you're going to go curve, one curve.
Uh-oh.
That's all right. You can just curve it back in. And I'm going to go like that. Okay. So I did a one curve down, and so it sort of went down a hill, up a hill, and up the side of the hill.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. What you could do, you could come here and draw some lines there, and this could be like the pattern of his some veins.
So.
Yep. So one big one, another big one, and then into the side. Yep. So these are your veins. You can connect them in. So you know, sometimes like dragons, when you see dragons on certain TV shows, they have veins and stuff. That's awesome. Like it looks like that's so cool. See that there? That's what we call a happy accident when we're doing draw. Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. So just make sure you do it on the other side as well. So we've got his wing here. Now what we want to do is we want to do the wing on the other side. So we're going to start on this part of his arm. And we're just going to go right in front of his nose. And we're going to do hook into there. And we do a line at the top. Come down. And then we're going to go off the page like that.
And then the out.
Then we'll do the same here. We'll do a line that goes in here. You might want to get thinner as you go off the page there. All right, we're going to do the rest of his wing. So you want to go a curve down to there, like that. And then we're going to go up again and down again. And then around and off the page like that. There you go. And there we have it, guys. Awesome. Very good. And there we have it. We have, who do we have? Charizard. We've completed the outlines on Charizard. How awesome is that, guys? I hope you had fun drawing that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, Phoenix, so what's next?
Coloring.
I'm going to color this one in. So before we color it in, guys, really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button on our channel and also give us a like on the video so we can keep making these amazing videos for you guys to watch.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you on the other side.
Bye. See you on the other side. Okay guys, we're done.
That's right, we're done. We've finished coloring in Charizard. How did you go? You got a is it a Master Pokeball?
Master Ball.
Master Ball, yep.
Yeah.
And I like the colors you did and how you did all the wings and so forth and all that. That's awesome. Yeah, did sort of similar sort of drawing as well.
Yep.
So yeah, guys, there you go. Had fun coloring in. I really love what we've done here. It's really cool.
Popcorn.
So guys, if you could subscribe to our channel, like our videos so we can keep making really awesome content for you guys, that'd be awesome. And well, hey, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today on the show, we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Content. Pen.
All right, so Charizard.
Get it?
All right, let's go, guys. Let's have fun. Why is that light not on?
Pause. Sorry, everybody.
Okay, guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad. This is Phoenix.
Yep. Content.